Good morning, students. I am Saraswati, working as a assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see about the topic is selection sort in Python programming. Selection sort is nothing but one type of sorting program in Python. This type of sorting, it will find the lowest value for ascending order. If it is find a lowest order for ascending order, then if it is find the largest number for descending order, we can arrange the number in the ascending order by finding the lowest number. We can find the element in the descending order by using a largest number. In this case, we can swap the values one by one at a time. This is a process for selection sort. The selection sort is used in many different applications such as mathematical applications, student processing, library management system, stock analysis, etc. This is one type of simple sorting method. That is the element we can arrange either only in ascending or descending. This is selection sort method. The time complexity of method is order of n. That is O of n. It's a time complexity of the selection sort. In the selection sort, first step is we got to sort the element in the array. The array contains elements to be sorted. That is, in that array contains element 3 elements, 7, 12, 9, 11, 13. 5 elements are there. The 5 elements going to be sorted according to the ascending order. According to that ascending order. In that array, we have to check whether it is a lower number. Whether it is a lower number in the array. Whether it is a lower number. First of all, we have to check the lower number. If it is lower number is available. Check the number in that array. 3 is the lowest. Then we have to move that element into the front of the array. So first we have to check the lowest element in that array. If it is lowest element means the element have to be moved to the front of the array. This is the first step. 3 will be moved to the front of that array. Remaining elements are as usual. That is 7, 1, 9, 11. 3 is the lowest. Next, this is a sorted element. Then this is one step. Another remaining elements, again we have to check the lowest element. This is another process for finding the lowest element. If it is available means swap the element. Otherwise, no need to swap the elements. This is a process for selection sort. Okay. 7 is a lowest element compared to remaining element. 7 is the lowest element. So 7 is always in the front of that array. 7 is always in the front of that array. So we do not move that element in the front. Okay. The result will be here 3, 7, 12, 9, 11. 3, 7, 12, 9, 11. 3, 7 is already in front. Again, these two elements are sorted. These two elements are sorted. Then we have to check the remaining element 12, 9, 11. 3 elements going to be checked. 12, 9, 11. According to the 3 elements, we have to find the smallest element. Okay, but the smallest element is 9. 9 is the smallest element. Smallest element as well as lowest element. That element will be moved to the front of that array. Front of that array. 3, 7, 9. This is the output of the array. Seriya? 3, 7, 9. Next one is 12, 11. Followed by 12, 11. 3, 7, 9. Followed by 12, 11. In that 12, 11, we have to compare that 2 elements. Both the 12 and 11. Okay, we have to find the lowest element. Again, we have to find the lowest element. Lowest element is 11. 11 is ending of that array. So we have to move the front of that array. The front element of the array will be arranged in only ascending order. That is from lowest element onward. We have to arrange that element. Okay, so 3, 7, 9, 11, 12. Again, check the elements of the array. All the elements are to be sorted. Okay, this is the output of the selection sort. சரியா? இப்போ 3, 7, 9, 11, 12. This is the output of a sorted array in a ascending order. In a ascending order. This process can be repeated for descending order. If the element, take the element is the largest element. Take the element is a largest element. This process is a descending order. In that example, we have to process the element, the lowest element or smallest element. So the output will be a ascending of the element. சரியா? This is one type of sorting method in Python programming. சரியா? The time complexity is order of n. Every time we have to compare the element one by one. Every time you have to compare the element one by one, where the performance will be improved. And then this many number of steps needed to complete the arranging of elements. This is one disadvantages of selection sorting.